Hello and welcome to Online Bootcamp, Data Science in Practice. My name is Shahzad Chima and I'm working as a data scientist and AI expert for over 17 years now. I have been working in large corporates as well as technology giants and startups. I had been working as a researcher and also teaching at a university. Overall, I have developed a large number of projects, mostly first of a kind AI project. I hold a PhD degree in machine learning and 3 master degrees in mathematics, computer science, and robotics. With me for this workshop is a team from Data Science Initiative, all of whom having very similar profiles, working in industry as well as in academia. Together, we have already delivered tens of those workshops, and this is the experience we bring to this workshop. So what are the prerequisites and objectives of this bootcamp? Well, basic prerequisite is that you should have a basic understanding of IT or business, and if you have some experience or understanding of programming, that will help, even though it's not a core requirement. But most importantly, you need to have a lot of enthusiasm. So who should attend this workshop? Well, you should attend this workshop if you are a business or IT professional who wants to join this very fascinating area of data science, or if you are an early stage data scientist and data analyst and you want to grow your skill. We understand that there is a lot of ocean of knowledge in the area of data science available online, but you need a guidance and a path where you could actually develop. Also, if you are a student and a fresh graduate and you would like to have a concise and a planned curricula, you should join us. If you are a researcher in natural sciences or social science and you deal with data and you would like to use and improve the quality of your data analysis and the research by using latest tool, this is a workshop for you. Also, if you are a non-Python data scientist and you would like to transform to Python, which is the language of data scientists for now and for near future, it's a workshop for you. What will you then get out of this workshop? Well, at the end of this bootcamp, you shall be able to first of all perform effective data analysis, exploration and visualization using Python, Pandas and the tools along with that. You should be able to understand and apply production level machine learning techniques to any given scenario. You should be able to build pipelines actually. You will be able to understand depth and breadth of most interesting machine learning topics and tools such as Apache Spark. We will have we will have lectures on deep learning, blockchain and related applications. And most importantly, you will be able to understand the whole landscape of data science, differentiate the reality from the fuzz, understand the business perspective and your potential role, and eventually a path on top which you can build your own future. Thank you very much.